So, kung ako si Mario Barrios, hindi tatakbuhan ko talaga si Manny Pacquiao sa early rounds. Not just especially the first three rounds. Where, hindi lang ako yung coach na nagsabi nito, na naalala ko nga, si Doc J, sinabi niya, no, lahat po ng boxer, kahit ano pang record niyan, everyone is dangerous in the early rounds because everyone has power in the early rounds. Ibig sabihin, lahat po ng siyempre malakas na malakas ka pa, bawat bitaw mo niyan siguradong bigay. Pag natamaan ka kagad, then that's game over. So sa akin, while sabi ni Coach Buboy, yeah, again, kaya nga yung title, Coach Buboy drops a bold prediction. Ang kanyang prediction is round number 3. If Mario Barrios will be stupid enough to risk it, I'm not saying na sure ball